Hello kids. Finally, we're going to work on our last discovery box project of phase 3. So today is a follow along tutorial. We are going to work on a miniature dream house and it's going to be made of paper. So this is how it will look what we're going to do today. Only the base. Okay, today we're going to arm the structure. That means construct only the base of the miniature house, of the miniature dream house. On class, we're going to work and we're going to divide each room. Each of these little papers represents a room. This is how it looks closed. So it will look like a small book. And this is how it is like from an aerial point of view, okay? This is like from up. It's for you to get an idea and to double check how it will be, okay? I repeat, on class, we're going to put everything inside of this miniature dream house and we're going to fill in each room with the instructions that I'm going to provide you. But we need to work a little bit in advance to prepare the base, okay? So go on and take out of your discovery box the materials for today. 4 sheets of construction paper that have to be letter sized. As you saw, I'm going to be using like pastel colors, but any color is fine. Any color. Blue, yellow, green, orange. Scissors, glue, pencil, and ruler. It's better if you use liquid glue. Okay? So let's see how it's done. Okay, so remember to have your paper. I'm going to be using this light green. You have to fold it in half and then you move it horizontally and fold it again. Okay, 4 parts of your paper. Then you're going to take out your ruler and mark 8.5 centimeters on each side, as you're seeing. Okay, and then you draw the line also. You're going to create perfect squares. Then you have to cut it. Then you open it up and you're going to cut one line. Look where I'm cutting it, just there. Okay, so you can fold it and that's a room. Okay, then you have to glue it, but don't take that much glue, a little bit. That's how we create our first room of the miniature house. Now I have to fold it like this, very gently. I have to create a triangle in the inside. Okay, so fold it up and then, okay, the triangle has to be in the inside like a peak. You have to do the same with the other 3 sheets of construction paper. Look, 4 have to be the same process for the 4. Now we're going to paste them. Look at the order. That's exactly how you want to paste it. So you're going to take the first one and glue it on the 2 sides. Imagine these are the walls of your house. You have to let it dry. You can fold it. Remember that the peaks have to be on the floor, let's say. You continue with the next one. You paste the 2 walls and then the last one, just one side. Not the 2 because we have to be able to open it. Look. Like a small book. So that will be all for today. Just the creation of the base of the miniature house. In class, we're going to work on creating our miniature house. Okay? You can start off by writing here on the first part of your little book your name in small letters. And then we're going to write the rest. That will be all. See you in class. Bye bye.